God damn, there we go. Sheesh. It was so fucking complicated to do. I'm live for Power Hour. I'm live. What's going on, y'all? What's up? What's up? Give me a second here.
I was just about to call you.
What's up, bro? Do you want to hop on?
Yeah, I'm in US 30 buys right now.
In US 30 buys? I just hopped on here. I'll send you a Zoom link right now.
Alright, are we doing students or no?
Yeah. You can bring them on. It's all good.
Alright, bro.
All right, cool, bro. All right, bye.
So,
What's up, y'all? Give me a second. I'm about to bring white chocolate in here real quick, and then we'll get started. I'm fucking rushing, man. I don't want to miss out on these buys. All right, what's up? No, I'm here. Can y'all hear me? What do you mean, who's white chocolate, bro? Who's fucking white chocolate is crazy. It's a man, the myth, the legend. He'll be here soon. I'm here. We ready to start this shit. Yo. So you and Luke are not rolling together again? No, I think I'm about to hop on with him. We're just doing our own pages, bro. Why is always got to be some weird shit? That's my guy for life, bro. My dude for life, bro. I'm just on my channel. That's all.
Cracking, boys.
what's up, player?
Hey, who we got in here? We got Brendan, EP, Carter, DeMarcus. What's up? How y'all doing?
I'm good, bro.
Chilling.
You doing good?
Fucking
Doing
eating
good?
right now.
You're what?
I said I'm eating right now in US 30 buys.
Oh yeah, I'm thinking about getting us into these ES 30 buys here, but I'm trying to get set up, bro. I just hopped in.
Yeah. I've done at 10:30.
What up,
I
play?
was
How are you?
I was in those buys for a little bit of EP. I just took it at a 1-to-1. I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna just take mine. I got in when they broke the structure. Where is it? 16:15. I don't even know what fucking time that is, bro. 2 hours.
Yo, Coach, what's up, yo? What's going on, Leo? How you doing? I'm good. I just figured hop on with you guys for Power Hour real quick. We'll probably be here like anywhere between whenever I want and whatever the fuck I'm tired, and we'll see how it goes from that point. I never know who to watch. You my two phase. Nah, you might not need to pick between us, bro. We might merge on the stream. What is he doing right now? Let me go look. Let me just call him, bro. How about we do that?
Mustard.
What up, player?
We got some haters in the chat today.
Oh, on my side too.
I was kidding.
Oh, I'm not.
Oh, you just you hate on you?
No, they're not hating, but they think that me and you are not rolling together anymore. Cause I'm on my page.
Oh no. Want to pop on Zoom?
Yeah, I'm on Zoom right now. Do you want to hop on? We got white chocolate in here too.
Who?
White chocolate.
Oh hell yeah, no, send it in.
Okay.
EP, where did that name come from, bro?
I don't know where the hell it came from, but okay, I'll send it to you right now.
They
Do you
just
want
started
it?
calling me
All
white
right, bro.
chocolate,
Bye.
and I just accepted it.
Hey man, it's a good compliment for sure.
Yeah.
You know who white chocolate is?
Nope.
What do you mean? Do you know who White Chocolate is? He's in the fucking chat right now, doing his thing. Who is White Chocolate? Why does everybody keep saying that shit?
You don't know who the OG white chocolate is?
Oh, he's
No.
right. He's right here. Yeah, he's right here.
Yeah, he's right there.
Who?
Yeah, he's right here. Rolling the fatty and getting ready for this bag. Bro, why do we got the fucking whole pie ass fucking group, bro? Is it because my name is Zen? Y'all think I just get high all day? Well, you wouldn't be wrong. All right, I'm gonna send Luca the link here.
Wouldn't be wrong.
Here. And
Master.
fucking here. Is that him? Yeah. All right, cool. All right, everybody's getting muted. Except for you, EP. Well, you already got muted, but you have to unmute yourself. You there?
Yeah, I'm
My
here.
bad, not
I was
EP.
about to-
My bad, bro. Not EP. My bad.
I thought I was about to get muted. I was about to
Not
retaliate.
EP. All right, let me get back to the layout and shit. Make sure y'all can see me. We all good. Everybody can hear me. We ready to make some fucking money. With Dow Jones, I'm definitely good to hop into buy. So let me break this down. I want to kind of bring you guys into where my head's at and why I'm cool to buy now. Okay, going into US 30, going into 4-hour time frame. We'll just give you guys a whole breakdown real quick. Look how good these areas that I've marked out since fucking a month and a half ago are holding. I mean, they're very prevalent levels. But anyways, while we're sitting below these lows and while we just rejected off of this 4-hour resistance, I simply just expect price to push down to new lows. And on lower time frames, I can try to find, 15-minute, 5-minute, 30-minute support resistance to kind of guide me on my way down to these lows all the way down here. But I simply just expect price to continue lower until we start to break above pretty much that 40K area. Okay, so that's kind of my analysis of what I'm working with the week. I really do expect us to continue to tank. We had this mega fucking drop. We had like a 60% retracement, and it looks like we're just going to continue on to new lows until we switch structure and it tells us otherwise. But going down to lower time frames, being scalpers and ready to fucking scalp, this morning I was already ready for the sell-off. I only wanted to take sales unless we told us multiple confluences that, yeah, we're going to start to retrace this big-ass move. But like I always tell everybody, like, don't be the person to call tops or bottoms to the market. If we tank a whole 800 points, don't decide for 1 second that we can't take another 500 points before having any type of retracement. Don't be the guy that wants to get in on the retracement. Be the person who continues to follow the wave of where price action is already going. So anyways, taking those sales this morning, taking out those lows, and now continuing to create bullish structure, looking like we just kind of want to continue to fill in more of this mega move we had. I'm good to fucking buy. You know what I'm saying? I'm ready to buy today. So that's kind of my analysis. We're gonna flip in between pretty much 1 minute and 5-minute time frame, see what we can do, see what we can get. But as of right now, until we start to show some type of bearish momentum to some degree, I'm gonna keep looking for these buys during the session. All right, same page. We good? One in the chat. Let me know what's up. We got 1-1. All right, cool. All right, now with that being said, let's go down to the fun time frame. Let's get to fucking work. Okay, I think we're still going to operate off the same thing, 50-point stop loss here. First trade is going to be a break above these highs. And there's no structure sitting above this. So if these end up failing, we might have to wait a whole 15 minutes before we get into another trade. But for now, we're going to execute as soon as we break above these highs. I'm not even going to entertain NAS right now. We're just going to focus up here because I got to get my shit ready. And then we'll go back to normal where I have like left-hand side is NAS and right-hand side is Dow. What are you thinking, chocolate dropper? White chocolate?
So on the 4-hour for US 30, or 1 hour actually, on the 1 hour for US 30, we're just at a major level of support. And we're playing off of it right now. So I think we could correct some of that huge impulse we had during London to just buy up some, at least fill in some of that gap. And our buys would work out for that.
Are you guys in buys right now? Or are you waiting to get in at highs, or where y'all at?
I've been in buys. I'm up like
Oh,
1
shit,
hour right
okay.
now. I'm riding it for around 3. Yeah. For Nas, it's a little choppy right now. Let's see. Same thing, playing off a 1 hour support. We can take it up to 1 hour highs. But it's just not as clean.
Bam. All right, cool. I got a buy stop in, y'all. So let's fucking make it happen.
There we go. I'm gonna scale in actually at these highs.
Sheesh. You know what time it is. $50 kind of tight, isn't it?
I feel like it's a good size.
Oh yeah, I'm not going any higher than 50 points right now, but it is a little tight though for sure.
At the new highs, you have a buy stop, you said?
At the new highs, I have a buy stop. Yeah. Yep.
Nice. If we could get a 15-minute closure above these highs, that'll give me a good indication that we're going to continue.
All right, boom. All right, let's get it. All right, I'm back to the chat, y'all. My bad. Made 500 on US 30 at 1 p.m. Then you, for your coaching, it's crazy how you can start to see progress when you do what it takes and follow. I mean, hell yeah, bro. That's an application of everything, you know? Time and experience cures all. And so over the course of time, if you decide to spend your time gaining experience on one simple topic, like obviously you're going to get better at it. But the more times you try to apply that same time to multiple different tactics, you know, multiple different systems, you really just don't fucking get anywhere. You got to double down on one thing. Don't be a jack of all trades. You know, find that 1 or 2 setups that resonates with you, that you understand the mechanics behind it of you entering it, and trade that shit every single day. Sorry, what platform are you using? For a broker, or you talking about what you're looking at right here? TradingView, brother. TradingView. All right, we're taking a bit here, so I'm going to go ahead and go back to split screen. Same thing, we're going to have US 30 on the right as always, and then NAS on the left as always. NAS already just broke above highs again, and kind of still have the same mindset on NAS too. You know what I'm saying? I got you. Where's my man? Is he in here yet? Oh no, he's doing his thing.
I saw him for a split second, and then he left.
Who, Luca did?
On your stream, I saw him for a split second.
We're about to get in here, yo. First trade, 50 points. You know what time it is. Appreciate all 30 of y'all showing up. Make sure you like the stream and spread the good word of good fucking trading. That's all we ask. Outside of that, I'll handle the rest. You know, we're good. We're kind of away from the 15-minute close for a while. We got an hourly close, 15-minute just closed 5 minutes ago. This is good. I'm ready. I'm ready to get in. Pretty much when we break these highs, we'll be in. I got buy stop set.
Nice. There we go. I'm in for my
All right, let's
scaling.
get it. All right, let me switch this out.
This could be a good day.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. All right, cool. This is what we looking like, y'all. You know the drill. Leverage your entire account.
Yep.
And
Go,
fucking worry about that shit later, man. Not today. Today we ball out. Tomorrow we get conservative. To trade MT5, charting, trading view. Oh, appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Appreciate you, player. I sent to Discord and Telegram.
Send it home, baby.
Yeah, if you guys want Luke over, you can always fucking go spam his shit and tell his ass to come over. He will. I'm just gonna watch these profits roll in real quick. I just sent them the link to both places. You know?
Are you going for 1 to 2, 1 to 3?
Nah, bro. Hell no. You crazy? We already. I'm probably we're gonna monitor. I mean, we're extremely bearish and we're sitting at the area that we just broke out of. So it is a tough area. I'm kind of good to potentially pull earlier. We'll see. We're just flowing, scalping.
Yeah.
We'll see.
For my scaling, I'm closing at my 1 to 3 for my original position.
Sheesh.
So about 50 points from where price is at. I'll hit 1-3.
Let's go, baby. Yeah, we're looking good. We got. Oh, was that the 5-minute open right there? Beautiful. What the fuck? What the fuck? Wow.
Yeah, it's looking really good.
All right, who's in this trade? Let me put up a poll.
I just don't like the prior 5-minute closure. Dang, I close above high.
All right, boom, cool. As far as Nas goes, there's just nothing from me right now. I'm back to the chat on Zoom too, yo. I'm Ethan's biggest fan. No way. Shaw is? White chocolate never gets muted. Facts. Got me fucked up. Just told Luca to teleport himself over here in profit. I'm in 2. I'm in deep drawdown, not in profit. I'm in drawdown $600 right now, actually. Ouch. White chocolate glowing in profits today. Yo, facts, man. Come on, turn the fuck around. If we end up holding this level here, I wouldn't take any type of sales below these lows, as you guys probably know, until we start to create new structure. And so this may just be rough. I may have just got taken out here. I just got taken out, yo. Ouch.
Yep.
Okay, down 1 for the day. You just got taken. Oh, you got taken out, B. Yeah, sheesh, bro. Get the fuck out of here. That's how we're starting. That's how we're starting. Faking these buys again. The same that I saved everybody this morning, and now it's gonna happen as PM. So what's gonna happen? I'm not gonna take the re-break of these highs just because of the area that we're sitting at, and I'll bring you guys to main screen. Just like we spoke about, just that area that we just broke out of. We're coming up to retest now. So not saying that it's going to continue on with the retracement. Like, I'm not scared of buys, but like right here, we're going to have to get a little bit of additional confluence from this point, you know. We may have to kind of switch our bias and start to look for a sell-off, but it's going to have to be like underneath trend line and support, not just the most recent support, you know. Like, I need a little bit more confirmation. So we might be sitting here for fucking 10 minutes, bro, waiting for some shit. Damn, punch my stop loss, dog. That hurt. Did it, bro? It hurt me too, bro. It hurt me too. We'll get it back. Or we won't. We'll see. What is that noise? It sounds like, damn, Raymond, you look tired over there, bro, in the fucking shadows. Oh, shit. What's up, player? Here, I got you. I'll put you under chocolate drop over here. Well, I don't know where everybody went now. All right, so all right. The bitch, man. Be annoyed if it starts pushing up from this point. I hear some SpongeBob in the back. Yeah, I thought I was hearing the same shit. I'm like, am I tripping or I hear some type
That's
of?
my reels.
Are you sitting on your phone?
Always. That's how I don't enter impulsive trades.
By not looking at the charts.
Yep.
Oh, it's
Scroll
crazy.
reels.
Nah, we got a little bit more impulsive control than that, my friend. All right, so same thing here. We're starting to get that third reaction to some type of trend line. I guess fourth reaction here. And so we're coming close to structure starting to switch to some degree. I just can't trade this range anymore, bro. Let's get out of it. This whole thing here, let's go ahead and get out of it, and then we'll take our second trade. Bro, is that you?
What?
I hear a dog or something now.
Oh yeah, my dog always goes crazy. I'm just letting her do her thing and bark at the UPS guy.
No, no Sony. Do you think the stocks are doomed? Nah, bro. I think like I don't. It's interesting. It's kind of cool now being thinking about things long term and such. But no, I don't think that stocks are doomed. You know, I bet on my country 100% of the time of all days. Even though I don't agree with everything, I still bet that the United States dollar is going to be the standard. As far as stocks like Tesla and Apple and Microsoft and things to that degree, no, we are in the era of technology, and our stock market is doing just fucking fine. One thing you guys should view things as, especially being younger viewers, is instead of looking at it in a we're doomed aspect, or all my 401k plans are being destroyed, which most of you here probably just started yours, 2 to 3 years ago. Think of this as being able to get into the markets at the best price that you may potentially be able to get into in your entire lifetime. You know, if any of you are long-term holders and look to acquire anything long-term, you bet upon things that you obviously believe in to work long-term. And if you think that places like Meta, and again, Tesla, Apple are not going to perform long-term, that would be really fucking crazy. I would switch your mindset to getting excited about a really good time to be able to invest more so everything is doomed. We're going to lose our superpower as a standard currency and all of this extra shit, fear mongering. This is this is a fantastic time to invest. And when it comes to volume, I've been saying it every day for the past 2 weeks now. I feel like we're volume traders. I call myself a volume trader. So being in the period of the most volume we've ever seen in my career of trading, for the most part, at least it's lasting this long, that's fucking exciting news. These are exciting periods to invest in, not times to be worried about. I had one of my students, and it's all good. He's very new, but he asked me if the market is ever gonna go away, and I'm like, what? How do I answer this question? Is the market ever gonna go away? If it does, if it ever, for some reason, all currencies dissolve, just speaking about foreign exchange market for now, if all worth of all money is to dissolve, I mean, whether that's a civil war, a nuclear war, whatever the fuck would happen for something like that to happen, the least of your worries would be wondering if you can invest into the market. You know what I'm saying? The markets are here, they're here to stay. There's catastrophes, there's massive news events that sway people's opinion all of the time, and major things do happen. But as far as the market ever going nowhere, or there being a lack of participants, or too many people going poor that nobody can invest anymore, whatever shit you have in your head as to why the markets will not be a thing now or in the future or your entire lifespan, uh, get that shit out of your head, bro. All right? Get that shit out of your head, bro. That's right, you educate that guy. No gurus, just aliens. He's thinking about Star Trek. They have no money on Earth. Oh, understood. I get it. The dog took a loss too, yo. Facts. Yeah, we got to get out of this shit range, bro. Give us new price action and then we'll play again. That's all. Let me delete this shit. Let's get out of there. Ouch. Man, get that shit off my screen, bro. We trade every day something. Yeah. Yep, yep. We're 0-1 to start the stream though, so we got to go ahead and get that back real quick for the one time. May even feel comfortable taking a break below these lows now that we just see this trend line holding yet again. You know, first, second, third, we pushed up and looked like we were start to break below it. Never broke below support. Held again. Now we'll see what happens when we come to this point. I don't really want to wait till we break all the way down here. But yeah, we'll see. Haven't heard from Jove in a while. Oh, he's good, bro. He opened up a business for supplements. And so I bought his supplements. I don't really think I need them, nor do it's cool. I fuck with what they have in them and shit, but I'm just supporting them, bro. It's like to help with testosterone and stamina. And here, I'll show you guys in a second. I'm just thinking about getting into these cells, so give me a second. Maybe if we can get even like a little 1 minute reaction to this point, just to show me that new structure, kind of that the support is holding here to some degree. It's only 1 minute structure, bro. It takes a couple minutes. And then take the break back below lows, which is ultimately 5 minute support, but just trying to not be a super scalper right now, you know? Prop firms versus $1,000 live account. You're asking which one would I prefer? I think you know the answer to that, Ignacio. $1,000 live account all day long. Lucas said he tried to join the Zoom, but you didn't see him raise his hand. Cap, bro. Could be true. It could be true, but I messaged him though. Although my phone's always on Do Not Disturb. Oh shit. I joined a couple times. No way. This nigga, bro. Motherfuckers all so prideful, bro. Now you done heard us. Yeah, why y'all so prideful, bro? Why can't you just call me, bro? Markets always bounce back. Not sure when it will, but it will eventually. Yeah, of course. You know, statistically stating, we don't have to talk based upon shit else, but you know, reality. The left always confirms the right, and reality states. And this is only Blackpool, bro. We can go. I think Oanda has way further back. Yeah, Oanda only has back as 2024, but the biggest correction we've ever had. All right, first correction was 53%. Holy fuck. Second correction was 17%. The 2008 was the 50% correction. That's nuts, yo.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Then COVID, 40% correction. Then 2020 was so still COVID, 20% correction. And then this guy here is already at 20%. So it's 30% away from being the biggest correction we've ever had and sitting directly at the correction we had for COVID, you know? I mean, interesting times, but nonetheless, it's just statistics show we're probably not going to push too much further than this next leg down. Like, in my opinion, again, I'm not the one to speculate and shit, but just for speculation for a second, I think that we're going to create one more impulsive leg after this massive retracement that we just had. I think we're going to create one more impulsive leg, meaning pushing to new lows. And then from that point, I think we're just going to start pushing our way up. Whatever else, Luke is in the building. Yeah, I got you, bro. Don't fucking leave, bro. My man. All right, ask to unmute. I think that after that next pull down, that will be straight. I asked, there we go. What up, player?
Yeah, all right.
Don't kill me, bro. Shit.
Bro, it was so funny. I joined like 4 different times, and every time I was trying, and it was just too loud. I had to fucking. I was like, oh my god.
What was going on? What do you mean it was too loud? We're too lit over here?
I was like, because I was sitting there, I was like, I couldn't, because like your volume's as loud as my thing. I just joined your shit, and it was just like, hell, you know. No, I mean, no thing. It was you'd be chopping it up, but I couldn't unmute. I was like, what's up, boys? I felt left out of the gang.
Yeah, I feel that. Somebody was like, man, you done hurt Lucas.
Well, I came back 4 times. Like, it wasn't just once. I was like, all right, I'll go back in a couple minutes and see if they're not. Every time I came back, I sat there with my hand up. I was like, fuck. Are we here?
My bad, player. What's up, Luca No Limit crew? Can they hear me or no?
Yeah.
Awesome. What's going on, y'all? I'm gonna put your chat up here too, cause I got room for all this shit. You know, I have 100 monitors.
Bro, top song. Stop 10. Dude, he needs to, he needs to quit it. Shit wasn't working. He says, let me play with your hair.
What did he say?
Let me play with your hair. Let me play with your hair.
Wait, why does it gotta be a he though, bro? Is it a he?
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Oh, true. I ruined it with that shit. All right, chat, dude. I'm back out at break even. I got into US 30 buys.
Yeah,
Okay,
we
so
were
they
in
said
the.
that. My bad, Ty. We're probably echoing. They said that they can't hear me on your side. Unless that's not the case anymore. I just saw somebody said we can't hear Emmett on this side.
I just turned you up more. No, I turned you down on OBS because when I joined last time, I was waiting for you to unmute me. I had to turn it down because I couldn't talk to them because it was so loud.
It's all good, bro. Have you taken any trades yet?
Yeah, I got into US. I'm still in US 30 longs.
Okay, you are. So we're thinking about getting back in. I got taken out with a 50-pointer, bro. Already.
Mine
very,
was
very-
65, literally right below these lows.
Damn. So you held it by the you good job, my brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to just pull out of. You probably can't see my screen, but you know that little range that we've been forming on 1 minute, 5 minute, where we just continue to push back and forth for the past like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm trying to just get out of there, bro, before I take another buy or sell.
Yeah. It's like, dude, the thing that's hard for me is that like I came all the way back to break even right here. And then I was like, nah, I'm not gonna close. I'm gonna follow through with the trade. It came all the way back down. We're all the way back at break even. I'm like telling myself, should I close? I'm like, nah. And now we're rejecting again to come back down.
So what are you gonna do, bro? Are you gonna close?
It's like, I mean, I accepted the risk. Like I've had my stop loss set. Like if it hits it, it hits it. It just hasn't hit it.
White Chocolate told me yesterday. You can always just pull out and we can get back in. I'm like, I feel that, bro. But then,
Yeah.
It's like revengeful trading and shit. In my opinion.
Not really, because if you have a good reason to get back in, it's like
Just wait for another break of structure or something.
Yeah, facts.
What up,
About to
EP?
get
Miss
the
you, bro.
W,
How are
yeah.
you?
I know. I haven't talked to you in a minute.
I was live, bro. I was supposed to come out to Bali. I was hyped that you were there because I thought we were gonna kick it, but you dipped.
Yeah, I did. You're in NorCal at the lake.
Yeah, I'm up at the lake chilling.
That's sick.
Miami was
What
a
lake
lie. I
is
had to get away.
What's up?
I was in Miami for a minute. I had to come back up here and just chill out a little bit.
Yeah. Do you like Tampa?
Tampa was sick. There's this I met up with a trader out there. He's kind of decent. He was one of my past students, but he was pretty cool.
Nice.
No, I'm totally kidding. I was totally kidding. No, it was fun, bro. I went out there. Me and Emmett killed it. It was fucking sick. Tampa was super cool.
Sick. It's like bar life and stuff.
It's like Miami, but chiller and a little less hot.
Oh, that's perfect then.
Golly,
Miami's
bro,
OD.
this range just makes me sick.
I've actually been buying and selling at the top of each one, so I'm up like $100,000.
100K? That's it?
On
Yeah,
the-
just buying. Just buy stops, sell stops at each. So
But you're only up 100K.
Okay. Nah, I'm joking. Nah, it's just brutal though. I should got at the top. We'll see.
What's up, Paul? How you doing,
It's
brother?
brutal though. Well, do you guys know why that US 30 like dump happened last night and not on Nasdaq?
Yeah.
4K.
I was super tired, bro, but I for some reason couldn't sleep, so I woke up and sold.
Just woke up and moved the market. I thought it was fake when I saw it. I was like, where the fuck? Because I was like, why did it not happen on Nasdaq?
Bro, 800 fucking point drop. We caught a nice sell this morning still, even after all that shit. And now it's gonna retrace some of this move, but we shall see. I damn sure do not want to sell Nas at this area at all. We're just sitting in a 4-hour support, so if anything, I want to buy Nas.
Nas? Are you still intrigued on US 30 buys?
Yeah, most definitely. I want to pull out of this range, bro. It's not telling me shit. There's no volume within it at all. And honestly, same thing with Nas over here. Like, it's not telling us anything. It's just cooling in the middle of the range over and over again.
All I wanted was to get into like a little bit more profit to put stops to break even, but like you couldn't. Like it was either just get out break even or just fucking hold it.
Do you guys end PM at 12 or in 15 minutes?
Not really.
Wait,
Me
say
and
it
Lee
again?
just down.
So when do you end PM? Like in 15 or what?
Oh, nah, bro. Whenever the fuck we're done trading, which I honestly been fucking with lately.
Whenever I feel like it. Whenever
Yeah,
chat's
really,
done.
It's been nice, yeah. Where's Dr. Dollar? Good question, bro. You know that motherfucker. Bro, we're all live just all day long. So if you, it's incredible right
Dollar
now.
Live.
No, but he's gonna do his 350. I'm sure. You know.
Chat, who knows about the 350
Who
candle?
knows about the 350? Yo. Watch him be watching us right now, and he's like, I don't want to answer it. We all do it to each other. Like, man, I just want to watch for once, bro.
I know.
It's nice not having to like entertain and stuff. Just chill.
Guys, let's try to get it to 100 likes. Come on. 100 likes.
My stream is already at 100 likes, so congrats, you guys.
What?
I can't see it, bro. Where do you see? You know when you showed me your likes and shit, how do you see that?
Right.
It's the YouTube studio.
Oh, it's on studio.
Yeah. Well, that's where I pressed like you use Streamlabs, so I use OBS. Like that's where I go live from. It's just you press go live on studio, and then like it shows you how many people are watching, what the likes are, and
So it shows me how many people are watching, but that's it.
Can you see my screen?
On
I
Streamlabs.
don't think so.
Yeah, I can see your stream.
Like
yeah,
this.
that. How did you do that? Where are you going there?
Like when I go here, like look at my screen. I'll go to YouTube. I press go live, and then like the stream will be sitting here, and I just click on here and press go live. And when I click in here is where all this is.
When you click, okay, understood. Okay.
I would love to go back to break even, chat. That would be so awesome. Oh, well, we're selling. It's whatever. If I was, my memory's no bitch.
Oh yeah, this is cool as fuck. I love that. That's cool. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you. He finally teleported back again, my man. Is this a daily thing now? Evening UK trading sessions? We're pretty much just trying to trade more than we breathe, and so that's just where we're at with it right now.
My boy Lewis said, some buy volume. My boy Lewis said, YM dropped because of the United Health dropping over 23%. So I'm guessing that's one of the stocks in the US, like one of the 30 companies, and it probably dumped so bad that it caused the whole thing to go down.
Interesting.
Mama raised no bit, Luke, you stay in San Fran or LA? Right now, I'm not even in either. Oh, guys, I'm about to be back at break even, though.
Yeah, bro. Outside. It's looking good.
All right,
we're starting to push away.
If you guys want to get out here, don't. No, I'm kidding.
Oh, shit.
I mean, oh my God.
You heard me. I said get out. No, I'm kidding. My stuff got hit right there. I'm out. That was insane.
Moving on to fucking...
Did you guys just see that? Like, if people in the chat were saying, let's go for a second.
What the fuck, bro?
Guys, hey, I did give him a warning, though, and I said, like, this is why I always have a stop loss set. Because if you don't, then, like, imagine if this jumped, like, fucking 200 points.
All right, let me go back to 5 minutes. Now that this is holding... See, this is good. I love getting that tap to this trend line and support at the same time. Because now when we start to re-break back below those lows, we might be executing here, yeah.
Yeah, it literally...
And then we're playing with trend again. So we're solid. We're unfortunately going to have to open us up to like a 70-pointer, though.
That was so nasty. Chat, like, I might have to re-get in because of how gross that was.
Golly, bro.
Like, I just can't, I just can't let US 30 disrespect me like that. I gotta shoot again.
The miss is here again. What?
Fuck.
Well, pause time to get to gambling, brother. For sure.
Lewis texted fucking Powell.
Get those Social Security accounts ready. If you guys still have them. You know, us young people, we don't get to have those things.
Really?
Tomorrow, market is closed? Yes, get out. Jesus, bro. It's crazy.
Wait, what's tomorrow?
Market's closed tomorrow. Good Friday.
German bank holiday.
Paul, I thought I saw your face for a second, but I guess not.
It doesn't show bank holiday?
Yeah,
I don't see that for USD.
Oh, wow. Look at US 30 here.
Are you sure the...
Shit.
Sure?
I'm not in this here, y'all, but...
I don't think it's closed.
I don't think so either.
Okay.
Did you get that fake news?
Yeah, we're getting close here. I don't know if you guys want to hop in with me, but if this candle closes bullish, I'm just gonna take the re-break of these lows and send it.
Wait, what?
On US 30 shorts.
So if this candle closes bullish, you're taking the candle lows.
Yeah. We got 2 minutes left of it.
Luca, what ethnic background are you? I've never heard the name Luca or ever heard the name. It's Italian. It's actually a town in Italy. Luca.
Yeah, that's so weird. I've never heard the name Luca before. I met Luca. I
Really?
fucking have heard the name Luca
Really?
so many fucking times now since I've met him.
Yeah.
It's kind of a
Bro,
weird
that fucking
thing.
Disney movie fucked it all. They made a Disney movie.
Oh
with
yeah,
that
yeah,
name,
yeah.
and
That you're
now
right.
everyone's
That's probably
kid's
what it
name's
is.
Luca.
That's facts, bro. The disrespect is real. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give
Yeah.
these shorts a chance here, yo.
It's funny because I'm white and have a beard too. So when I was living in LA and like Luka Doncic first came to LA, everyone was like, "Oh, Luka." I was like, "Shut the fuck up!" like, shut up.
And you're tall like him. Like,
Yeah, no,
just-
literally, one person was like, "Are you him?" And I was like, "No." Like, what? I was like, "I barely can touch my toes." I'm kidding. Totally joking. Uh,
All right, Joe. Let's see what
You any
happens
sells
here.
on it or
The
what?
60 points is proper. If I get clapped on this one too, then I would be shocked. But let's see it.
Yeah,
60?
you're tall right now.
What's that? Yo, I'm up $700 fucking dollars in a second, bro.
What about Nas? Do you like Nas at all?
Let's fucking go. What's the stop loss size? 60, bro. We spoke about it. I'm up a K right now, and I'm also going to take my loss back immediately. Thank you.
Yeah, 'cause Robinhood won't let you put a trade past the 17th. What does that mean?
Thank you.
Today's the 17th, so maybe Robinhood's not taking
Yeah,
orders.
TP1 destroyed for fucking 60 points. You're not in yet? I don't know if you want to get in now, my brother. Almost destroyed. Almost destroyed. We're not at 60 points yet. My fault. My fault.
I got in
I
at
removed
the-
half of my position at 340, 303, so 40 points.
Bro, that fucking hourly wick. Holy shit.
Bruh, let's go. Look at that.
This next
fucking
hourly could be a
closer,
really
yo.
good, top wick, getting on the break the lows or something.
Still floating 400. Who's in this trade with me?
I took it at the 2-minute candle closure that broke.
Make sure you guys put stops to B. If we come all the way back up, that's it for that trade.
What
Now that we're
what do you
breaking
like
out
about
of
the
that range,
2-minute
though, I'm
EP?
down to just sell the fucking market. Sorry, what'd you say, bro?
I was asking
Just
EP about the 2-minute.
just because the 5-minute hasn't been giving a lot of setups for me lately, so I just been trading the 2-minute for current market.
Like the same market.
I usually do
structure
5.
shit. Nice.
I may be on the 1. I don't know if I could do the 1, even though it's
Yeah.
similar to the 2.
I'd be on
But
the
all
5
normal
second
people are
sometimes.
on the 1, 5,
I'm
15,
kidding.
30, 1 minute. As soon as you get them niggas with the, let's trade the 2 hour, the 2.5 hour, fuck the 4 hour, let's do the 5 hour. I'm like, come on, bro. Like, can we just keep
Yeah.
the standard, bro?
Funny enough, that guy Josh Barnes, who I was like hanging out with in Miami, he like his strategy is based around the 9-minute, and I was like, why the 9-minute? And he's like,
It's just
I feel like
different.
he's like I feel like everyone does the 15 and the 5. He's like, I just want to do the 9. I
I'm
was
about to
like,
get
all
taken
right.
out here, y'all. Oh, shit. We just got taken out BE there. So we made 358 on that position.
That's some real scalping.
Scalping
That's
for
some
40
real
points is
scalping.
hilarious, though, you know?
But still, I mean, fucking money's money.
You just a motherfucking, already
Markets
out.
are
Couldn't close
sideways.
half. Eesh. My order got rejected twice. Brutal, yeah. Yeah, that was a pretty quick trade here, y'all. And if we just start pushing back into this range, I swear, bro. What is up with the last 2 days of that shit? You know? Get the most minor push once we leave, and then just come right on back. They don't want us to win. Out BE. But if we can start to make our way now, we don't have to wait so long for these trades. We can start just kind of just pushing. As long as this trend line doesn't hold, it's crazy. I'll start to take the re-break of almost all lows, especially this low sitting down here, and we'll just cruise at that point.
Hmm.
We got the new hour open in like 7 minutes, so it'll probably not come
I'm
down there until
seeing-
after that. Can you explain why you took this trade? I will explain why I took this trade. I thought I explained it pretty well, but I'll explain it, bro.
4 hour.
We're just in this mega push lower here, and I'm also reacting off a 4-hour resistance. And so even though this is a very minor retracement, we just still expect price to continue lower. But ever since morning, you know, look at this minor retracement we had. And then we started to push to new lows. I'm like, all right, shit, we're just going to create new lows. I'm going to sell off. We did sell there. We profited this morning. But now look what's happening. Over and over again, we're creating bullish sentiment. And so when we take that first initial break above these highs, you know, when I first hopped on here, I'm like, shit, man, we've already kind of consolidated in this area twice, and now we're pushing above again. I'm going to go ahead and hop in and see what happens. I get cooked. And we start to push lower again, now breaking out of a trend line, now breaking out of a little 5-minute support. So I'm like, shit, we'll take this all day long. So as soon as we broke out of the trend line, this is the fourth tap to, you know, fourth reaction to that trend line. I went ahead and hopped in. And I just got half of my position. I took out BE because we really just been super scalping during PM session. And then the remainder of the other half just got, whatever the fuck, $340 made. $358 made.
Keep the 5-minute candle before market open.
Look at that
wick.
retest of the trend line too. Holy shit, man. Why do we got to get in all the way down here? Maybe we can get some type of newfound structure form, and I'll get aggressive with you guys. Even on 1 minute, little 1 minute out, we'll pop in up here instead of lower, keeping our stop above these highs. But just give it.
I just want this hourly. Hourly should feed us. I'll have to see.
Yeah.
EP, how was Bali?
It's actually really sick, but it just gets overwhelming. Like, I had to leave after like a month. I thought I was gonna be there so much longer, but it just got too much. Like the traffic, bro, waiting like an hour in traffic for nothing. Like
That's
on
crazy.
a bike when the sun's like when it's like 100 out. It's just
Yeah,
like
you're like, no, thank you.
yeah, I'm ready to go back to Cali. But I'm tempted to hit up San Francisco just for El Farlito.
Bro, it was so funny. I haven't been in San Francisco in so long. I was there not that long ago, and I was trying to think of what the fuck the name is, and you just said it. That's actually so funny. That
Dude,
place is the best. I was telling my girl, bro, I was like, it's the best Mexican place I've ever had.
Yeah,
Holy
ever
fuck,
since I left,
schmackers.
it's on my mind every day.
You gotta come back out here.
I know.
You and Emmett, we should come out here. This lake, the
Mm.
lake I'm at up here is fucking sick.
No.
Yeah, I'm actually hella down to go out now that I'm
Well, I'll come
21.
up here one time. Oh yeah,
Fuck.
hell yeah, so fun.
Are you in, Emmett?
Nah, bro. I said I wanted a little minor structure to form. We get aggressive, but we may just have to take the lows again. Ain't that a bitch, man? We just got this new hourly open, y'all. So I'm trying to just kind of cool
Ain't that a
out
bitch?
until this new hourly opens, you know?
Hourly rejected the MA perfectly. Rejected. But I want a big top wick in at the lows. But that was 2 days ago or yesterday. Those US 30 sells was literally just top wick, no bottom wick, bro. Got on at the lows. It's so simple.
Outside?
I would definitely wasn't inside. I got a sunburn, so I don't know what that means.
Yo, Luca and Emmett, you miss me? Talk some. Luca locked in. I see it. We're locked in, bro. We're ready to motherfucking trade. Shit.
Luca, who's on live with you, Emmett, and Ethan? I think that's it. I don't see
Oh
anyone.
yeah, I think
Yeah.
that's it, bro. We got Paul too. The
Shout out
legend
Paul.
himself.
How many people we got here? Guys, keep liking the stream. How are we still at 65? Let's get 100 likes. 100 likes, guys, and I'll do and EP will do a dance.
I'll do a dance. I'll do
Fucking shit, I want to get very risky here.
Facts. Just let me trade, bro. I'm trading, guys. I'm trading Asia today, by the way. So
Oh,
me and
fire.
Emmett are.
Fire.
I have a new conspiracy with buy stops, sell stops at JR30
candle.
yet.
Yo,
If you wanna
data-
watch it, I'll be here
the
live
data
with Emmett.
speaks for itself, bro.
Come on, just don't play with me.
That's fucking crazy, dude. Yeah, you guys don't like these sells, huh? Am I the only one who is enjoying these sells here?
I want the sales. I just want the hourly. I want the hourly to open up with the top wick, and then once it flips, I'm in.
Are you looking at that minor structure for sell or still going to check the lows? Nah, bro. I think I'm gonna get a little ballsy here. Wait, you said Luca, you're with the shits?
I said that you look at the hourly. Want the hourly to create a top wick, and then if it flips and goes bearish, I'll get in, bro. It looks like this was literally just a minor pullback to continue lower.
Yeah, y'all just gotta wait. Y'all gotta wait. We got 2 more minutes till this fucking hourly open. We can wait just a little
Birds
half
in the
second,
trap, you
know?
gotta
We can
get.
wait.
Maybe
Money.
click sell and hope for the best. Just send it.
Just fucking send it, guys. You heard the man himself. I like sales, but low key want to wait for that low. Yeah, we're waiting, brother. We're waiting. We're
Emmett's
waiting,
camera
brother. It's
doesn't
taking everything
show
out of
on
me. We're
Zoom.
waiting. What'd you say?
Someone said they want to see your face, but your face isn't on Zoom, so I can't show it.
Nah.
It was just Top Songs being weird. He just wants to see your beautiful face.
Oh, come on, Top Songs. We're gonna start calling you Bottom Songs. You can move this. Oh my God, we're sending it, bro.
Come on, I know.
Right before the hourly open too. Well, if this doesn't hit or we can't get in, we can just blame it on Luca because I wanted to get in right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we good with that? Perfect, my man.
I'll
You my
take it.
guy,
I'll
brother.
take it.
Appreciate you.
All right, here we go. Give me top wick.
Okay, there's a top wick. We're gonna give it a shot here, y'all.
You have to.
We're gonna give it a shot here, y'all. Let's go ahead and do it.
Give me those lows.
You're entering right here, Emmett?
Yeah.
I'm waiting for these lows to break. All right, let's run it, chat.
I'm still in my version,
Oh. Let's go. I'm already up 300. 370.
Damn.
Oh,
For real?
no moss. No, not after that wick. we have the same broker. I got 39283.61.
No, 39275.
I got 83.
Wow, 83 is good, bro. That's solid as fuck.
How big of a stop are you gonna do? 60, 50?
60, 60, 60. 60, 60, 60. Hefty, hefty, hefty.
I don't like
Check
that.
the
I don't
1
like
minute
that's a
against the
barely a
trend.
1-to-1 to the lows.
No, we're not checking the 1 minute, brother. We're on the 30-second right now. I'm in 50-point stop loss. Get ready, brothers. We're ready, brother. We're ready for blast off here, brother.
There we go.
Sending it.
Up 600.
Damn, Mans is in heavy and not playing, bro. I'm not.
No, I'm in
heavy.
0.25. What are you in?
0.2. Maybe Mans is not in heavy.
Yeah, 0.25 isn't too heavy. OG Turbo, all I gotta say, bro, is this week has not been the best price action wise. So you shouldn't have blown 2 accounts. It means you probably overtraded. But it's just fine. Like let's learn from our keep it going. But give yourself some more bullets, because not every week is golden.
Speak for yourself.
This silence
dude.
before the TP. Ramon said this silence before the TP.
Yeah, facts. Facts, yo. We need some music in this bitch.
Blast them.
TP
You need,
said he was
you need like a winning song. Every time you hit a win, you need a specific song.
Shut the fuck up!
I know. For a while, mine was, yeah, you should play that.
It's fat nigga season.
I heard EP say it.
Yo, let him know, bro.
Nah,
Chad,
100%
we got 100 likes
overtraded
out there.
LMA. I'm getting. Wait, what?
What?
Confirm.
Hey, yo, shut the fuck up. It's fat nigga season. Look at these
I
fly
100%
ass fat
overtraded on
The
niggas.
moon, baby.
I love my fat nigga.
They eat big and
Good
earn
flip,
big.
good flip.
Yep, these big boys are crypto
Let me
millionaires.
break these
And
lows,
they're
chat.
really
And
living
I'll-
that lavish lifestyle.
It's fat nigga season. Skinny boys give me the ick. I need a fat nigga.
Facts.
Fat nigga season is upon us.
I'm just
Bridget.
1 minute demon
It's
right
fat nigga season.
Hey, yo, shut the fuck
Every
up.
minute.
Hey, yo,
Handle
shut
this.
the fuck up. Yeah, man.
Bro, how funny was that meme I sent you yesterday? That like, little does he know he's about to walk in and see it.
Dang, we
The
got our
jump.
losses back. I'm only a BE today, bro. I need this to hit, bro.
Yeah, thanks.
Posted I can't mute. It's all good, bro. The hell did I just hear? What do you mean the hell did I just hear? You heard
You
what
just heard what season
it was,
it is.
brother.
You heard
What
what
would be
season it is.
incredible to me is when I become a millionaire off of shut the fuck up and you guys didn't invest. I talk about it every fucking day. So
Yeah,
don't be
he talks about it too often for you guys not to put a little in.
facts. So do what you want with whatever, dude. But if you're trying to get rich, like shut the fuck up. We have a trend line
Birds
from the
and
lows from
chubby.
835. Whichever way it releases from that line in the 5 minute I'm in, NLT says. Okay.
Wait, what?
Talking about this one right here, bro? I would take a wider
no.
range of just the ultimate high. I don't see any trend line here that's valid for me.
Oh, give me the break of you low.
Just my words a little deeper than yours, you heard me.
Come on. Come on.
Song is
Give it
hard
to me.
as fuck. I'm only up $100 right now.
I'm up. It just depends. Depends on the second
Depends
you
on
ask
the
me. It's
second.
changing.
Yeah, facts, bro.
1 second, I was about to tell you 300, and the next second it was at 80. So
I think that there's no way. We're about to go 2-1 here, y'all. 2-1.
go.
My plan was to take anywhere between 6 to 10 trades today, so we're at 3.
Wait, really? All
Okay,
right,
we
guys,
just
break
broke
of those
lows.
lows. I think we should continue. I think that we should go. I mean, me personally, I think I might go Stas PE.
Put your fingers up. What number are we, guys? We're number 1, guys.
Oh, I'm oof, God. I was just up
Sheesh.
600.
Depends on the
500.
second. Yeah, it is. It's kind of scary.
I'm holding down to the lows.
I know.
Bro said I'm up $5 on a $20 account. Let's go. 25% and not giving a fuck.
Flipping that shit.
Flipping that shit. Yeah, remember when I told you guys that today would be the day that I would make sure we have all the details for the account flip?
Well, now we have the weekend to talk about it, so next week we can do it.
That's right. In the meantime, there was a lot of people who were like, oh, I don't have enough money for the account flip. Well, we are making you the money for the account flip before we get to the account flip. Incredible.
Yeah, low-key.
Put your numbers in the sky. 41. I love that that's your fucking thing, bro. It's gangster shit.
41.
Yeah. I just thought it was
41's
so
in the
funny
chat.
when I first saw the first stream I went on in Currency Gave. I was like, why the fuck
You're like, why
is
the fuck is
everybody
everyone putting
spamming this
41?
shit? Yeah.
So, yeah, it was not with the.
I wasn't with
I
the
literally
shit,
just like.
bro.
Yeah. You just gotta do little things like that with the community.
Smitty Warben Yaga Jensen is number 1. Facts, bro.
Birds in the trap. You got.
I'm up $47 on a 0.2. Like, why are we sitting around entry so much? It's kind of making me a little nervous here. We can either win or we could win.
It's as simple as that. Simple as that, chat.
Simple as that, shit.
Come on.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Chocolate Dropper is dropping them fucking markets. Yo, did you see the video I sent you?
EP moves the markets.
EP, did you see the video I sent you, bro?
video
Watch
did you
it,
send?
motherfucker. I
On
put my
iMessage?
blood, sweat, and tears into that shit, player.
On iMessage?
Yeah, quit playing.
Alright, let me watch it. I thought it was just a live trading video. Oh, chocolate.
Chocolate Dropper in the building. Is
That's so funny. Big Dipper.
Big Dipper.
Who gave me this name? Well, I need to
Me.
talk to this guy.
You got your white chocolate. I call you Big Dipper.
Jeez, bro. Yo, you better take down
go
some
by
dark
both
skinned
now.
meat, my brother. Don't be having that nickname without putting in work, player. You feel me?
We're going for white chocolate.
He's like, I'm
Oh,
lactose
shit.
intolerant.
Man, this is really getting annoying, y'all. We're just like, it's telling us to. I don't know what it's telling us.
That's why I want to go BEs. I don't know wwhy we keep taking these lows to then go back up. Like,
We can go B. You want to go B? Let's go B. Who cares?
personally, I'm still up $450.
I'm negative right now, so going B was pretty much just not an option for me.
I'm at 160. I'm still in profit. I got that fire entry.
I'm just accepting risk here, y'all. I just feel like I'm a little too deep into this for what it's doing to us, you know. But I'm in for now. I don't really see what we can do here.
Yeah. Spurge in the trap. You got to stick by that. Why does he keep taking out highs and lows? What's up?
Oh my god, dude, just fucking go already, dude. Fuck. White chocolate.
Oh.
What season is it, my brother?
Shut up.
All right, guys, I'm up 800. If I get to 1,000, I'm gonna close 500 of it.
I'm up 300 right now. If I get to 500, I'm gonna close.
Oh, there we go. Oh, I just saw 950. Come on.
You guys can put stops at B now.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, come on. All right, guys. I'm closing half personally because I'm a baggy. Nice little close for, what was that? Oh, $300. Not much. $300 close. Still in 500. I got 0.15 running
Yeah,
still.
I'm just 300, so if I close, it'll be 150.
I closed 300.
No,
Yeah, I don't know how I got that higher entry or something.
I gotta just chill. I'm
Nah,
in, y'all. I'm chilling.
it's going.
Stops should be.
I just
It
wanted to
is what it
close
is.
some. Let's
It's
go.
running.
Now we're up $500 here. Now we're getting
go, let's
somewhere
go, let's
worth
go.
something.
There we
$700.
Send it home.
Luke, what's the lowest time frame you go? 1 second.
Ooh.
All right, I'm good here. I'm gonna close half here.
Let's
That's
go.
$400.
W's in the chat.
W's in the chat, yo.
Yeah, I'm closing a little more partials too.
I'm not
0.05.
closing anymore
I'm
for a little
totally
bit
out.
here,
These
yo.
are my
Let's just
TP.
kick it. I'm up $600, bro. Let's go.
Yeah, I just closed fully out at these lows. Fire
Yeah, I
trade.
just got it. Let's go.
No, I'm cooling in the cup for now, y'all. We gotta stop this fucking partial and bitch ass territory out. We gotta hold. I've pulled out
Gotta
so far
hold. I
638.
personally closed partials, but I'm still in.
I closed out 638, and we're floating.
You got 638?
638, man.
Yeah, I'm at 630. I closed 630. I still got 800 running.
Oh no, I got 350 running, bro. You're a killer.
All right, well, I'm closing a little more. 0.03. There we go.
Yo, dubs in the chat.
W's.
I haven't got a single dub in the chat.
W's in the
51
chat. Guys, right
60
before it
points.
dumps, someone in the chat was like, RSI low, time to buy.
We're 2 for 1 now. We got 1 W in the chat.
1 and
I'll
1.
have to call
All right,
Wall
guys,
Street
W's in
and
the
give them a
chat.
piece of my mind. Yeah,
Come on, we got Big Dipper or white chocolate.
See?
Big Dipper. We gotta give Emmett a name though. You gotta give Emmett a name for show.
He
W's.
probably wants to go back to EP. I just can't get it out of my
Come
head
on.
now, so.
Let's go. With
It
white
does.
chocolate, Big Dipper, and oh fuck, my finger. I wasn't recording.
Make sure you guys promised if I got won at least 2 trades today, you would like the stream. I did it.
Come on.
We'll like the stream. Dude. You promised.
Let's go.
That's Mr. Zen
US 30
reporting for
Shores,
D.
dubs in the chat. On with white chocolate and Zen Lab, but W's.
Sheesh.
Good shit.
There we go.
Another one. How many we got here still?
Floating a nice little 300 right now.
Let's go.
Where we going?
Oh, bro, you guys notice if you take a video on Instagram nowadays, You can't save it, or is that just my thing?
God, this is fucking beautiful.
More W's.
Just had to get
Let's
out of that shit
go.
range. That was all.
Let's go. Another W, US 30. W's in the
Paul
chat.
says
I told you
W.
guys. When we here, we not losing. I'm with Zen Lab and White Chocolate. Don't miss out. Live every day. W's in the chat. Let's go.
There we go.
Yo, that was a fire fucking. Without for the Instagram?
No, yo, yeah, it was for the Instagram.
Why'd you say no, bro? You hold now?
Because fucking, I took that first video. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but Instagram did the update yesterday, and I usually always take a video, then I'll save it from Instagram, but they make it so you can't save it now. It's so weird.
What? No way.
Yeah, so don't get the update if you don't fucking want that.
Oh yeah, you can't. What the fuck?
It's so I low-key hate it.
Yeah, I always record on Instagram.
That's what I'm saying, and I save it. I'm fucking on Snapchat now, like I'm 13. Like, video like I'm 13.
There has
Zen
to
Zen LT in the chat. Come on, Zen LT chocolate in the chat.
be. That's hard.
Zen LT is gangster. US 30 melting harder than white chocolate ice cream in direct motherfucking sunlight. That's
Yeah.
fired up.
Chat,
I'm
I'm still
fucking
up a
fired
baggie.
up.
I don't even know what to do. Should I buy it? No.
I'm up 500 right now. If we can hit TB2, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and remove him full. Or maybe I just might remove it 500. I'm at up 472 right now. I can't even parcel out anymore. I'm 0.05. We got you guys up yet another 100 points for yet another day. Like,
Am I going live on
around here like fucking like wildfire, bro.
Emma, let's go
Jesus.
live on Instagram. Just go flex on them real quick. Where the fuck were you at? What was your
White
risk,
chocolate,
Luca? I was
legend.
risking $1,500, and I've closed 865, and I'm floating 700 still.
Yeah, the float's gonna have to hit TP now. I gotta hold a little bit longer than what the fuck we've been doing during these PM sessions. I'm getting used to the PM sessions now, you know?
I love it, bro. I
Sheesh.
might start doing Asia because fuck it.
Wait, what a wait, but finally ending the week profitable. Finally got my loss from this week back just now. Thank you. Fuck.
Oh,
Is that what
make
you
sure you
meant?
guys liking
Is how
that
you meant to put it?
stream.
Thank you. Fuck. We're 472. As soon as I hit 500, I'm gonna close. I'm cool with that. I think it already hit
Oh, we
500.
break these lows. Oh,
Yeah,
bro, this is
five.
so
Boom. There
fire.
we are. All right, I just
Oh
closed. That's
my
another
God.
fucking K, bro. That low key, those US 30 buys kind of set me back a little bit. We made 1,400 bucks during the session. Whatever fucking camera. I got both cameras on right now, so.
So gangster. Oh yeah, I gotta do that too. All right, chat. Just to show you guys basically what I'm working with so far. Boom. Still floating. See on my screen, 472. Hop over to history. Oh shit.
Whoops, I fucked that up.
Oh,
didn't
you
I?
can't really
Shit.
see it. But I'll click over to here.
There we go.
Live account
Wow.
always.
Wow.
Was it
Luca,
done?
pay my mortgage. I already did.
Look at
Zen
that.
LT chocolate. Emmett, I'm off, mate. Another great session. Catch up when you're live next, my man. Take care, my brother. Goodbye, my man. What another beautiful day. Clap it up for you guys selves. You guys yet showed up for another day and executed based off of our experience. And this is what you get, money.
Luca get me out of jail.
I broke even from first trade, decent. Damn, bro, you only broke it to 1 to 2, fam. It's all good,
Guys,
bro.
Lily handed
We
you
got tomorrow.
123 points. You got to start coming. Bro, these streams have been lit.
Yeah,
Every
it
stream
was
has
all a
been
part of the plan, y'all. You guys get the breakdown. All we're doing is executing based off the plan. That's all we're doing.
lit. I had to execute the plan.
Went in heavy.
Luca, do
I
you get
know,
spreads or
bro.
slippage
The
on your
first
trades?
one, I know, bro. Me too, bro. Me too. I'm usually
I low-key-
risking like two. You guys got to think about it when I first started trading PM session, just because I have to acquire data before I get confidence, which most of you guys know. But risking like $100, $200 per trade, I risked a rack on that fucking US 30 buy, bro. So getting comfortable, I'm settling in. I understand price action during PM, and sucks to not be here. That's for sure. Luke has been here. He's been doing his damn thing. So you put them together, you get white chocolate in this bitch. Fucking hell, man. It's ridiculous.
That makes for a souffle.
The dynamic trio. Back at it.
Come on now. Add the...
Looking at buys now. Yo, chill. Yo.
Who said that? They know me. Whoever said that knows me. So true.
Hell yeah, it's hilarious. We got new structure for me, y'all. I told you guys, we'll just continue to take every fucking break and sell. So I already that was it. We just needed to get out of that range. That was all.
Slingshot.
We really just expect price to continue on to new lows now. When are we gonna come up and fill up that gap? Not today. I don't think today, at least.
Luca, what's next after the pour? Sheesh. Should we tell him?
No. No, do not tell them.
All right. New York Open tomorrow. You guys can head over to Zen Lab. He goes live from New York. I'll be sleeping. I don't like New York Open anyways. Like, it's not even like, I don't know. For some reason, just don't like it.
Let's hear it, bro. That's my side. What's wrong with my side, huh? I came to your side.
It's just your session. I don't know. No. Like, I'll come on your stream one day. I personally don't like that session.
Just too much volume, a little too.
I don't know. Yeah, just not the most friendly.
When will you drop Andre Diaz podcast? When this
Bro,
stream gets
I got
100
a list.
likes and you guys are at 7. I'm just kidding. I will refresh in a minute. On Luca's side, you're at 73. That's so funny. 7 to 73 when I refresh. Mine, I don't know where to look at mine. I know he told me, but I'm.
We got a dope list of guests coming out, bro. So, actually, I put out yesterday, guys. Who do you guys think the next guest is that's going to be coming out this next week on Wednesday? Emmett knows.
He might be. He might be not. He may be she. She may be
Martha
he.
Stewart. I'm fucking dead. Psy. Hella people guessed Psy. I put on my story, and for some reason, hella people guessed Psy yesterday.
What do you mean for some reason? He just came in the stream and shit. People are following.
But like I said the podcast for this week. Like I haven't filmed with him.
Well, I had a really clean exit these lows up here, y'all. But now that price is pushing anyway. TB2 hit. Congratulations to those who held. That's 117 points in the bag. 120 points in the bag.
Yeah.
Me, I came close. As soon as we broke these lows right here, I pulled out. So I hit 112 points. Well, let's see. 271 to 212. It's a lie. Oh, because no, it's a lie. 340 to 322. Wait, what? 271 to 212.
Bro, we're just going. I knew that hourly was going to do us good.
39270 to 39188. Oh, I guess not. Never mind. 90 points. 90 points for the day. It's showing you the partials you pulled out. No, that shows it doesn't do that, bro. Well, I guess it depends on what phone you do. Here, let me show you.
Bro, I'm gonna close some more right here. I'm of a bag.
Like it just hold once. It'll show you the partials taken out. Like if you guys go back and look at the video, but once you're out of the position, it just shows the whole what you risked on that initial position. And I don't know if it has the price of the first scale out you took or the last. I don't fucking know. Would you say you just got out of yourselves?
No, like I'm still in 0.02, but like a majority amount.
Fire.
I made 1,500, and I still got some running.
You should interview Emmett, Mr. Zen, in the future. He got a great story. He shared some of it yesterday on live.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I know. We just so everybody knows, we already do a podcast. This is just gonna be the second one that we do.
Emmett was my first guest. If you guys haven't gone to watch that, you guys are not true at day one MLT. Come on, guys, go watch it.
This feels like
That's
so
my favorite
long
podcast
ago,
too.
but it wasn't.
It's
that
so
long
fun to go and watch, bro. I was so enthusiastic. I don't know. Like we're just so much better now. I mean,
Yeah.
you were pretty good. I feel like I wasn't the best interviewer at the time.
Look, I'm already halfway into it right here. We already did it. Look at this. This is the very first podcast ever, and then look at this guy now, bro. In what world? Look at this intro and shit. It's just incredible. You know, we were speaking about earlier of gaining data based upon one thing. Like he's just been doing it a long time, executing, getting 1% better every day, and now we're fucking sitting at Mamba's house in Vegas. Yeah, it's just crazy. There's levels to this shit for sure. And you're at the top.
No, click on the newer one. The newer
Oh yeah, with Tori and shit. Yeah, this isn't.
No. The newer Mamba one is New House. It's even better than that one.
Where is it?
On my channel, it should be the newest.
Oh, you didn't put it in the. You haven't put it in the
Oh fuck! I haven't
yeah,
put any
bro.
of it. Just click on my channel.
Yeah, you should put all of those in there.
Yeah, I don't know why it's not there.
Even the glow up for fucking Mamba, bro. Mamba's glow up the past year and a half.
Oh, I know, it's
Those
been kinda
bro's already
crazy.
been glowed up, but he somehow figured out a way to glow up further. The past
Bro, look at my
year.
camera angle. For some reason, the camera was hitting. I was like, what?
Shit's nuts. Oh, I have those glasses. Those are the glasses I have. I can't find them. Maybe
I
he's
know
stole 'em.
you look fire in those ones.
Shit's G, bro. I wish you could have got contrast to show what's about back there.
I know the whole like lake and shit.
Yeah, bro. Where is it at? But that's my favorite
That-
view of it. Yeah, this is fucking good. You
Someone
had
in
3
the
set
chat-
up for both. Yeah, here it is, right here. Yeah, like a whole lake back here and shit. Because it's nuts when I see it in other videos. Look at this cat, bro. It's hilarious. I didn't even know he had a fucking cat. That's a crazy looking cat.
Lie down. Um,
Yeah. Anyways. I mean, what's up? What y'all thinking? You chilling? You out? I'm out. So.
I'm about to hop off. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. All right.
I appreciate you having me over, Zen Lab. Good to see
Yeah,
you, White
thanks for coming,
Chocolate,
brother.
Big Dipper. Oh, he's not even there. I appreciate you. Just call me after.
Yeah. All right. Cool. I'll call you right
All
now.
right,
What
peace
are you
out,
doing?
bro.
I'll call you in a second.
Yeah, just call. All right, peace out. Bro.
All right, bro. Bye. All right, to everybody in the stream too. As always, I'm going live pretty much every fucking day, bro. So make sure you guys show up, learn something, enjoy yourself. But most importantly, once you start to watch me for a while, do your best to show up to these calls prepared. You know, don't just show up here to fucking hang out. Show up here to learn something so you can start to do this for yourself. You know, not sitting in this chair, but having these results for yourself, gaining confidence for yourself. The only way it's going to happen, especially if you're going to be watching me every single day, is by showing up and marking out all of your charts for yourself. And then everything I do is just kind of confirming everything that you got going on. You dig what I'm saying? If you guys keep showing up every day and watching me do my fucking thing, you know, experiencing my 10 years of experience, you know, that's great. And you're going to gain a ton of confidence, but it's going to be confidence based off of what I am doing. You really want to do it for yourself, you know? So show the fuck up. As always, if you want to learn from me personally, link is down in the bio. If you want to join my group, it's $40 a month. So you get all of my trades every single day. Link is in bio or description. Wrong platform. Link in description. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, peace. Tomorrow, 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be live for a New York session. I'm out.